Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to book a trip in Klook. Uh, Navigate to the Klook official website, so klook.com. Now here, this is basically the official website. Now what you're going to do is simply type in where you want to go. So let's say Japan, Tokyo, let's say, like so. And now we have here some things to do here in Tokyo. For example, we have a bunch of options. As you can see, we can also explore just a Tokyo attraction here, hotels in Tokyo. So you really can find transports. Then we have also the hotel. And yeah, now we have this destination selected. Okay, so now let's start from the beginning. So let's go here to the, let's say, popular destination, select Thailand, for example. Then let's say top attraction in Thailand, select that. So we have here PV Island full day trip. So yeah, let's go with this one like so. Select options here. So we have Phi Kai Island. We can go with speedboat, early departure, late departure, so we can go early. Also Bamboo Island. Here on the right side we have basically the all of the tour, so we can really uh, check what we would like, so we can decide on which one do we want to go. All right, now here we can check availability. So let's say today, but we want to go 22 like so. Departure Bamboo Island, let's go with that one. 2 adults, we don't have children yet. And yeah, this would be $137. And what you can do now is just you can read here everything about this trip and just click here book now. You will need to put in your details, so location. From here, then other information, if you hotel and address if you want. Then you will put in your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and then after that you go to the payment. So we need to put these details in. And then we can proceed further. We can also, we need to put in email like so, also the number, and then click save, go to payment. So we need to put address here, and after that we can pay our booking. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.